Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The amendment to the Goa Land Development and Building Construction Regulations 2010 notified on 9th August 2023, which permits a 20% increase in the floor area ratio, thereby allowing an increase in the building height, is presently under challenge before the High Court. During the last hearing, the petitioners sought interim relief, urging the High Court to restrain the respondent government authorities from processing any further applications seeking FAR or height enhancement pending the disposal of the petitions. However, the High Court declined to grant interim relief, observing that granting such relief at this stage would virtually amount to granting the final relief sought by the petitioners, or at least result in the suspension of the legislation. The High Court held that such a relief could not be granted at this stage, particularly when the affected parties were not impleaded in the petitions and had not been heard. In view of the data placed on record by the government of Goa, indicating that 255 applications are currently pending before the Town and Country Planning Board, the High Court directed the board to notify all 255 applicants whose applications are pending, as well as all future applicants, about the pendency of the petitions and the subject matter under challenge. Consequently, the permissions granted henceforth shall be subject to the final outcome of the petitions. The High Court has listed all the connected public interest litigations for final hearing on 15th June. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.